Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn how to view your personalized trends for you on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your computer. This new update makes it super easy to see topics and events tailored to your interests and location, helping you stay on top of what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to your account. From the main menu on the left side of your screen, look for the option that says More and click on it. This will open a list of additional settings and tools that you can manage. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control everything from your account preferences to your privacy and safety choices. Now, click on the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Under this menu, you'll find a lot of options, but the one you want right now is Content You See. Click on that to continue. Inside this section, you'll notice an option that says Explore Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This part lets you customize what kind of content appears when you use the Explore tab or browse trending topics. Here's the key part. Look for the option labeled Trends for you. When you check this box, X will automatically show trending topics that are more relevant to you based on your activity, interests, and general location. If you leave it unchecked, you'll see general global trends instead. After checking the box, your changes will save automatically. You don't need to click anything else. The next time you open the Explore tab, you'll start seeing personalized trends designed just for you. And that's it. You've successfully turned on trends for you on XWeb. With this simple